A process server was arrested at Travis Kelce's home while attempting to serve Taylor Swift deposition papers from Justin Baldoni's legal team. The incident took place earlier this month at the NFL star's home in Leawood, Kansas, according to Star. A man named Justin Lee Fisher, a former police officer, was charged with jumping the fence onto a private residence in a private neighborhood, according to court documents. Fisher was reportedly taken into custody at 2 a.m. on 15 September, just 2 days after a judge overseeing the defamation and sexual harassment lawsuits between Baldoni and Swift's former best friend, Blake Lively, 38, denied a request to depose the singer. It's unknown if Fisher was successful in serving the pop star, who is reportedly also dealing with an alleged stalker, before his arrest. Swift was pulled into the legal battle between Baldoni and Lively when the director named her in documents for his now-dismissed $400 million countersuit. Fisher told Star of the incident, "I wasn't hurt or anything besides being arrested for doing my job and possibly losing my private eye license." He is scheduled to appear in Leawood Municipal Court on 15 October. Baldoni claimed that he felt blindsided during a face-off at Lively's NYC penthouse amid production for their movie, It Ends With Us, when Lively's husband, Ryan Reynolds, and Swift showed up during the meeting. Baldoni also shared text messages where Blake called Ryan and Taylor her dragons. Meanwhile, Swift reportedly felt manipulated by Lively, causing the two to have a major falling out. Earlier this month, Judge Louis Lehman denied a request by Baldoni's side, the Wayfarer parties, to extend their deadline to depose Swift, according to court documents obtained by Deadline. The Wayfarer parties were seeking to extend the deadline to the end of October, as Swift was unavailable to be deposed within the current discovery window, the court documents said. In his decision, Judge Lehman said the Wayfarer parties failed to exhibit good cause for their proposed extension and demonstrate why they were unable to depose Swift at an earlier date.